Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data for your favorite cryptocurrencies. Today's date is November 12th, 2024, and we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. ETH has been making headlines lately, with many experts claiming it's poised for a significant bull run. Let's dive into the news before we look at the charts. The market is buzzing with enthusiasm following Donald Trump's victory in the U.S. presidential election, as experts predict a positive regulatory landscape for crypto assets. There have been significant inflows into Ethereum ETFs, with one recent report showing a 1,652% spike in flows, suggesting strong institutional interest in ETH. These inflows are fueled by the potential for pro-crypto policy changes in the U.S., which could lead to increased accessibility, liquidity, and legitimacy for ETH. Additionally, the market capitalization of Ethereum has surpassed that of major blue-chip stocks, further highlighting the growing popularity and value of the network. The current bull market for Bitcoin is also likely driving profits into altcoins, like Ethereum, pushing ETH closer to its all-time high. Now let's switch to the one-day chart and see what the data tells us. Ethereum has seen a steady climb over the past few months, with a few notable pullbacks along the way. We can see a clear upward trend from the beginning of July, showing strong momentum in the long term. The price has recently broken through the $2,000 level, which served as strong resistance in the past, indicating a potential breakout. The recent pullback, which occurred around mid-August, was a healthy correction, and the price has since rebounded strongly. We can see that the price has been moving above the 20-day moving average, another bullish indicator. The volume has been increasing on the upside, suggesting that buyers are driving the price higher. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is currently hovering above 70, indicating that the market is overbought in the short term. This could potentially lead to a temporary pullback, but the overall trend remains bullish. Let's zoom in on the last few weeks and see if there's anything noteworthy. Ethereum has been experiencing significant price fluctuations, with a few steep rallies followed by sharp dips. We can see a clear pattern of consolidation, followed by breakout, which suggests that the price is being driven by strong buying pressure. The current price is above the 20-day moving average, and the volume has been picking up, further indicating that the upward trend is likely to continue. Let's take a look at the one-hour chart and see if we can find any short-term trading opportunities. The one-hour chart is showing a slightly different picture than the daily chart. We can see that ETH has been trading in a range between $2,850 and $3,000 for the past few days. The price has been moving up and down in this range, with no clear breakout. The volume has been relatively low, suggesting that there's not a lot of strong buying or selling pressure. However, the price has been consistently trading above the 20-period moving average, suggesting that the bulls are still in control. The RSI is currently hovering around 50, suggesting that the market is neither overbought nor oversold. This means that there is a good chance for a breakout in either direction in the near future. Let's switch to the 15-minute chart and see if we can spot any immediate trading opportunities. The 15-minute chart is showing a lot of volatility with sharp rallies and dips. The price has been moving up and down in a range, with no clear breakout. The volume has been relatively low, suggesting that there's not a lot of strong buying or selling pressure. The RSI is currently hovering around 60, suggesting that the market is slightly overbought in the short term. This could potentially lead to a minor pullback, but the overall trend remains bullish. Overall, the chart data seems to confirm the bullish sentiment in the news. The price is showing a clear upward trend in the long term, and the recent breakout above $2,000 suggests that the price is likely to continue moving higher. The recent pullbacks have been healthy corrections, and the price has rebounded strongly each time. The 1-hour and 15-minute charts are showing a more neutral picture, but the price is still trading above the moving averages, and the RSI is suggesting that there's a good chance for a breakout in either direction in the near future. So, what should we look for in the coming days and weeks? The next key price level to watch is the $3,300 mark, which is the next major resistance level. If the price breaks through this level, we could see a significant rally towards the all-time high of $4,800. However, it's important to note that the market is highly volatile and there is always a risk of a pullback. If the price fails to break through $3,300, we could see a correction towards the $2,800 to $2,900 support zone. The 1-hour and 15-minute charts are showing a lot of short-term volatility, so it's important to monitor the price action closely. We should also keep an eye on the news, as any changes in the regulatory landscape or the overall market sentiment could impact the price. Overall, the long-term outlook for Ethereum remains bullish, but it's important to be cautious and manage your risk. It's always important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.